Good morning, dear student. Welcome to your new class. In previous class 6, we learn from mathematics various type of calculation, geometrical and algebraical. Okay. In class 7, also we learn about various type of numbers, algebraic expression, also unitary method and algebraic and geometrical problem. Okay. So in class 7 from R.S. Agarwal book, R.S. Agarwal. Okay. Mathematics for class 7. We learn from this book. Okay. Here total 23 chapter. Okay. Since in class 6 there are 4 exam, also in class 7 in same process we follow, and there are also 4 exam. This is for 50 marks, this is 100 marks, this is also 50 marks, this is 100 marks. So total 300 marks. Okay. For 300 marks we have learned about 23 chapter and we also complete this chapter. Okay. Now we start chapter number 1, integer. Okay. Also in class 6 we learn about integer and various operation of them. Okay. So here we first know about what is natural number. Natural numbers. Okay. So which is natural number? Okay. So the counting numbers are called natural number. Counting numbers are called natural number. Those numbers whose we count, this is called natural number. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay. See, this is a 1 pen. Okay. So this is we call 1 pen and we count 1. If there is no pen, we have say that there is no pen. So natural number is starting from 1. Okay. Now whole numbers. Which are whole numbers? Okay. So counting number we add 0, 1, 2, 3. If we add 0, then this number is called whole number. Okay. All natural number together with 0. All natural numbers together with 0. Natural number plus 0. That is all natural number with 0 we call whole number. So every natural number is whole number, but every whole number is not a natural number since there is extra 0. Okay. So next, integer. Which numbers are called integer? Integers. All the natural numbers 0 and negative of counting numbers are called integer. That means all whole numbers, that is 0, 1, all natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all. Okay. Also 0 and all negative of natural number, that means 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. These all are called integer. That is we have 0 here, 1, 2, 3, infinity, and there is minus 2, minus 3, infinity. This is called integer. Okay. This is called negative integer. This is called positive integer. Okay. And 0 is neither positive neither negative. Now we learn some properties of integer. Addition of integer. Rule 1. If we add two positive or two negative integer, that means if we add 3 plus 2, then we have 5. Okay, there is two positive integer, hence sum of there is also this sign, same sign. Okay, this is positive, this is plus, and this is also plus. If we add two negative integer, okay, then we add their values, first add their values 3 plus 2 5, and this sign is also minus. Okay, so rule number 1, if we add two positive or two negative, then we add their values. Okay, if we add 3 positive, see 3 plus 2 plus 1, then we also have 6, and this is the sign is same sign. Okay, now if we add 4 minus 5 and minus 6, then we also have 10 15, add their values and sign is also same. Okay, next rule number 2. Rule 2. Okay, if we add one positive and one negative number, okay, or if we add this, then we differ from higher to lower. That means we first 3 minus 2 1, okay, and this is equal to 1, and here this is the biggest and this is the smallest, so we see biggest number sign minus, and this is also minus. Okay, see minus 47 plus 18. Okay, we add these two number, two integer, then we first differ from higher to lower. First we differ. Okay, this means 9, this is equal to 2. Okay, and this is the 29, and here biggest number is 47, and here sign is negative, so this is also negative. Okay, if we add 40 plus and minus 20, then we also differ from, this is 20, okay, and this is the plus sign, so this is also plus. Now some properties of addition. Some properties of addition. First property, which is closure property of addition. Closure property of addition. Closure property. Which is closure property? The sum of two integers always a integer. If we add 2 plus 3, this is also an integer, and this is also an integer. If we add these two integers, then we have, this is also an integer, this is an integer, this is also an integer, and this is also an integer. That means if we add a sum, two integer is always a integer. Okay, so next is commutative property. Commutative property. Number 2, commutative property of addition. Okay, see, a and b are two integer. Okay, then a plus b equal to b plus a. That means if we add two integer 2 and 7, if we add 2 plus 7, then we have 9, and if we add plus 7, plus 2, then also you have 9. Okay, this is called commutative property. Associative law of addition. Which is associative law? Law number 3, associative. Okay, so if we take 3 integer a, b, c, okay, any 3 integer, then we add first any 2 integer a plus b, and last we add c, and here if we add b plus c first and then we add a, this is also equal. Okay, see any 3 integer, see minus 4 plus 9 minus plus 6. Okay, any 3 integer, first we add minus 4 plus 9, then we have 5 plus, okay, and we add plus 5 plus 6, then we have plus 11. Okay, now we first add plus 9 plus 6, then we have plus 15, and hence we add plus 4 minus 4, then we have 15 minus 4 equal to 11, and this is also plus 11. Okay, that means if we add first 2 integer and then third integer, and first last 2 integer add and then first integer, then also equal. This is called associative law. Law number 4. Okay, existence of additive identity. Of additive identity. Okay, first we know what is called identity number. Okay, in additive, if any number we take 5, okay, any number add 5, and then if we get 5, then this number is called identity number. Okay, so see here, if we add 0, then we have 5, here 6 plus 0, also you have 6. Okay, so 0 is the identity additive. Okay, now for any integer a, see, for any integer a, okay, we have a plus 0 equal to a, or 0 plus a equal to also a. Okay, and for this 0 is called additive identity. Existence of additive inverse. Okay, additive inverse. So which is called additive inverse? If we any number, take any number, any integer plus 2, okay, here if we add some number, then we have additive identity, that means 0. So here we, if we add 2, okay, so any integer a, we have the additive inverse for this integer is minus a. Okay, so see, for any integer a plus minus a or equal to minus a plus a equal to 0. Okay, so the additive inverse of a is minus a. Similarly for 5, minus 5, the additive inverse of minus 5 is also 5. Okay, any number, the sign is opposite. Okay, so if we take any integer minus 100, then inverse, additive inverse of minus 100 is plus 100. Okay, similarly plus 99, additive inverse is minus 99. Okay, and additive identity is always 0. Now next, subtraction of integer. Subtraction of integers. Okay, so first, for any two integer a b, any two integer. Okay, now if we a minus b, that means a plus additive inverse of b. Additive inverse of b means minus b, so we write here minus of b. Okay, and a minus of b, that means a plus additive inverse of minus b. Okay, that means a plus b. Okay, so here we have two important rules, that is any two integer a and b, we have a minus b equal to a plus minus b, a minus b equal to a plus b. Okay, so see some example. Now we subtract 10 from 4. Okay, we subtract 10 from 4, that means 4 minus 10, that is equal to 4 plus minus of 10. Okay, so we know any two integer, we if one is negative, one is positive, then we difference between them. So 10 and 4, from 10 4 difference is 6, and here 10 is greater, so this is also minus 6. Okay, now minus 8 from minus 4. Okay, then we have minus 4 minus of minus 8. Okay, that means minus 4 plus 8, that is equal to plus 4. Okay, now next we see some properties about subtraction for integer. Okay, so number 1, properties number 1, closure properties. Closure properties. Okay, so any two integer a and b, if we subtract them, okay, that means a minus b, if these two are integer, then also a minus b is an integer. Okay, see minus 2 plus 2. Okay, now subtract this is, then we have this is also minus 2 plus of minus 2. Okay, that means that is we have minus 4. Okay, this is also an integer, and if we have 4 minus 2, okay, see plus 4 plus of minus 2. Okay, then we have also plus 2, this is also an integer. So any two integer, if subtract from them or difference from them is also an integer. Now number 2, commutative property. Now for addition we see, if a and b two integer, then we have a plus b equal to b plus a for addition. Okay, this is for addition. So addition property holds, addition commutative property holds for addition. Now for subtraction, if we take any two integer 4 and plus 7, okay, now plus 4 minus of plus 7, that means plus 4 plus of minus 7, that means we have minus 3. And if we take plus 7 minus plus 4, that means plus 7 plus minus 4, that means plus 3. So these two are not equal. Okay, this is plus 3 and this is minus 3, and then we write plus 4 minus 7 not equal to plus 7 4. So commutative property does not hold for subtraction. So any two integer a and b for commutative, for subtraction, a plus a minus b not equal to b minus a. Now number 3, associative law. For addition we see, if we first a plus b, a b c, 3 integer, this is our integer. If we take first 2 and then c, then we have a plus b plus c. Okay, so for addition associative law holds. Now for subtraction, we see for subtraction, first we take any 3 integer, see 3 minus 4 and minus 5, this 3 integer. Okay, so we subtract from plus 3 minus of minus 4. Okay, so and then this is, and then we subtract from minus 5. So for this we have plus 3 plus of plus 4. Okay, and this is minus 5. Okay, for this we have plus 7 and then we have plus 5, this is 12. Okay, so for this we have, this is 12. Now first we 3 minus 4 minus 5. Okay, then we have plus 3 minus 4 plus of plus 5, then we have plus 3 minus, for this we have plus 1, then we have 3 plus of minus 1, that is equal to 2. Now this is 12 and this is 2, this is also not equal. Okay, this is also not equal. So for subtraction we have three minus of 4 minus of minus 5 equal to 12, and this is not equal to 3 minus of minus 4 minus of minus 5. Okay, these two are not equal. So any two integer a, b, c if we take, then a minus b minus c not equal to a minus b minus c. Okay, so for subtraction association property does not holds. So this is our theory, some theory and some properties of subtraction. Next day we start the exercise number 1A.